Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlog, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you know every time I make a video. So this is like my third intro for the day because I'm doing 2 other videos along with this one. So I'm doing the outfits of like the week, or I don't know if I want to do it like for the day. I think I'm gonna do it for the week, so it's kind of longer. And then I'm also doing what I eat in a day at a hotel. And then this one is gonna be like the vlog for the day. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy. So yes, if you want to see like the outfits I wore, I'll link those 2 if I do post them before. I'll link them down below. I'm not sure where I'm gonna post them, but yes, I'm currently outside. We are at the Sea Garden Beach Resort. We got here yesterday, so I will actually like put the clips that I vlogged yesterday, I think, in the vlog as well. But I'm just introducing the vlog here. Or probably do that different. Yeah, probably do that different. I'm not sure as yet, but yes, this is the full day. Today is Tuesday. Got here around 2:30 yesterday. So yes, it's quite early this morning. It's like I think about 7 o'clock or thereabout. I don't know if it's 7 yet, but yes, I just showered and I just stepped outside so I can talk to you guys. So yes, my 2 roommates, them the mama list me, but we fine. Anyways, I'm gonna show you them in a few. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm actually currently on the balcony. We got a garden view. The last time I came, we actually got a pool view, but that was like by coincidence. So yes, they're not in the room at the moment. Let me show you my room in case you guys missed the tour. And I'll actually link that down below. I didn't do like a big tour. Like when the room cleaned today, I think I'm gonna do the tour over because I'm not sure if I'm satisfied, but that is our room. Yeah, let's go see if the others are awake. Somebody's alarm is going off. Yes guys, but we have some cute views. Me, I ding dong ditch the people them room. Fully. Anybody remember well, you probably don't remember my roommates. I didn't vlog in college.
You know something I heard?
No, I never start vlogging at college yet.
Me know, but me just explain to you, say, me know her.
Behind you, dreary and dark. In dark blue and dark.
You can't tell them, so they don't love me no more. They don't love me. They might shame me for morning, but it's fine. It's fine. But anyways, guys, yes. So today we are just going to chill at the beach, probably with my sister alone, because the other 2 aren't talking to me, and I don't care. So yeah. Anyways, so yes, guys, I'm quite hungry and I'm ready to go. We are ready to go. But I know I should be here because she just run for me. But all I want to start was say betrayal, my business. Anyways, guys, we might do a live today or tomorrow, and I have like plans. And this is the only one I'm talking to today. Alright, never mind her. I was talking to her a while ago and let the other one let you stop. Hi vlog, welcome to the channel. Hey. What's up?
But if you not talk to her today, what talk to her? Me have to keep me best mate, my mate partner, my wife partner company.
Okay. Bye.
She can't live by herself.
Bye.
When you're not
Sean, should I let it out or should I keep it up? I think I want to let it out.
You didn't tell you how to let you go. You don't know why you're having ketchup. Let you go and fling it around.
Because it's going to interrupt my breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Thank you, honey. Thank you.
What's it called?
Because I'm doing the... Oh, why am I on this? So yes, guys, we are gonna take some pictures in my broad hat. Wanna see my hat, guys? When we reach, remove. So yes, guys, we are gonna take some pictures and then...
From Lisa, may I pose first?
Jay, or Jay now jump.
Hi guys, so we're at the beach. Actually, that's doing for morning, but yeah, I never that vlog. I actually went. Oh yes, I think you guys will see that clip where I went on the bouncy thingy in a Migla water. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It was fun. She dramatized. My dramatized friend.
Oh my god, you know, so me feel money.
Yeah, man, she dramatize.
I know we're back.
Can't get to our savior. Yeah, I'm drinking.
You have to do the face. Show them and then show the face.
Okay guys, so we're back from the pool. Right now we're gonna shower and change, and then we are, well, I'm gonna wash my ear, and then we're gonna sleep. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep, but yeah, I might just watch movie, watch something, YouTube. I need to watch some YouTube, so yes. Hi guys, let me sit where they... Yes, this is... Hey everyone, that's Lacey. It won't have time to see me enough for me, so I didn't can't see enough you. Anyways guys, hi. So it is currently, what time? Time update please. Oh gosh, I'm burnt, people. I'm burnt. Like,
We can't see up on the screen. Water!
wait, like seriously, gone? My Jesus, need some rice. Alright guys, so it's 8:36 p.m. I did say we're supposed to leave here at 8:30, but they did not. We were talking. So we're not too ready. But yeah, Lisa dropped her phone in the pool today, so it wasn't fun at all. My under lamp. Anyways, I have this necklace that says princess that my aunt gave to me. This has my jewelry plus other things on my hand. Let's fix that. Plus that earring. Gone. It means you're reaching ice screen. Yes, good night, guys. We're going to, well, we're enter the room. Yes, good night. What? What am this? Guys, they're drinking juice at this hour of the night. Wait, other one. Yes, see the other one there. Oh, yes, guys. Yes, guys. Story about that juice one you just see. The hotel said they don't serve Bob Marley anymore. So guess what this girl do? And I two juice them we would have combined to get the Bob Marley. You're smart.
Chess, not checkers, darling.
She is smart.
$20,
Me say she's smart. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.